Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your accessory in Windrose. Now first things first, you are going to need a building called the jewelry table right here. Now for you to unlock the jewelry table, go over to your journal and go to discovery right over here. And over on the foothills region, hover over the silver ingots. And once you've discovered the silver ingot, you should be able to unlock the building element called the jeweler's bench. Inside this building, you'll be able to upgrade your accessories like your necklaces. Now for you to get to the foothills or this tier of the materials, you have to finish the local threat over on the coastal jungle when you're just starting out on the game. Thankfully, he is part of the main story, Thomas Richards, so you won't really miss on how to get past this region. Now over on your building mode, the jewelry does require at least 10 pieces of wood, 5 pieces of foothills iron ingots, and 3 pieces of silver ingots. And just like every other structure, make sure to read the description that it requires a roof and only works within the bonfire range. Alright, now inside the jewelry table right here, I press down E and then go over to ascend right over here. And one of my necklaces here, the tiny necklace of agility, I can pretty much ascend to turn from 5 agility over to 7 agility. Or basically turning from common to uncommon. So I'm gonna do exactly that. And there we go. The necklace of agility is now at 7 agility compared to the 5 previously. Now pretty much this was an example. Don't waste your resources on trying to upgrade a common item. I would recommend just going for the uncommon ones to turn them into their epic tiers. And that's pretty much about it on how to ascend your accessories in Windrose.